Hi, this is Zachary Wong from Hollyland Technology. I'm the product manager and also the US sales consultant. So today we're gonna give you an introduction to our new wireless video transmission systems. So this one will be our next flagship. It's a Cosmo C2. It's a two transmissions, one receiver system. So in this unit, you have 3,000 feet line of sight in the wireless coverage range and 33 milliseconds low latency. And you have both SDI and HDMI input and output, and also the loop out. And with this receiving unit, you have two outputs, both SDI and HDMI, and also you have the NDI output. So you got this V-mount batteries for long-term battery life, and also MPF available for the transmitters. And the other series will be our Pyro series. So it's an upgraded version for the previous Mars series. Now it's all 4K. We have Pyro S, which is SDI and HDMI model, and also a Pyro Edge, which is HDMI only. And we have these two monitors, Pyro 5, Pyro 7. So it's a transmitter, receiver, and a monitor. It's the 3-in-1 monitor. So also we have a Pyro Ultra coming out. That's 4K 60. All the others are the 4K 30, and they are all compatible with each other. For example, you can link this monitor to a transmitter from Pyro S, and this guy does 1,300 feet, 50 millisecond latency, and one transmitter up to 4 receivers. So this is our updates for the video transmission section. For more information, please go to hollyland.com. Thank you.